So we just left our stuff in the hostel. We headed straight for the Parque de Atracciones de Medellin. Este Parque Norte. It's called Parque Norte. The thing is, the park is really empty, so wherever we go, we will be pretty much the only people. Alright, we've arrived at our destination. I'm very scared. Safe we are. What could go wrong with a broken back in a crash car? That's my plan. Alright, here we go. Ay, ya se dolió. Ya no puedo. Ay, ay, ay. ¿Qué te dolió? Duele mi nuca. Me duele mucho. So my game is just avoiding everyone because I just got hit from the side. and now everything hurts. So I'm just trying to get away from everyone. Alright, let's give a little bump from the rear. They can't hit me, they cannot get me. Screw my neck. Okay, so this is too much for me. Okay, no, that's that way. No, you get it. I evaded that. Good warm-up for me. That wasn't a great idea, I think. ¿Qué dijiste? Que ahora tu espalda es como la mía.
Mi cuello.
Hacia el mío también me duele. Oh, wait a minute. ¿Es that an iguana?
Pero la iguana, ¿no?
¿Qué es entonces? ¿Un lagarto?
Parece un lagarto.
Sí, es un lagarto. Wow, that one is pretty fast. It's huge too. It's like the tail a meter 20 centimeters. So I'm hiding behind this tree to film that beautiful sight of the lizards, the lizard family. I think it's. So it seems the metro of Medellin is really popular. Holy cow! Or maybe it's the only way to get to work for the Medellineros or Paisas de Medellin. I don't know how you call yourself. Please don't be offended. No, por aquí.
Mira, mucha gente.
What? Un poco de gente. Como esto va creciendo y creciendo más, ¿no?
Sí, están como todos en la mitad.
¿Cómo?
Me parece que es más. Es peor si están todos así con ese espacio que tenían.
Ah, sí, claro. Tenía como todo ese espacio tan ancho. So maybe it's not enough to have one metro in the entire city. You probably want to have several connections, otherwise you get what we just saw. Even though they leave really frequently. But it shows that it's a really good system, because imagine how all these people would travel. Maybe they wouldn't even, because they couldn't arrive at their work, so they wouldn't have taken up this work. So this is a really good option to make jobs more available to all classes, and no matter which strato, no matter which part of town you live. That's kind of cool.
A mí los tres por 2.500.
No es ni una de todo.
Queso con bocadillo.
Queso.
¿Qué es esto? Es un
Salchichón.
salchichón. This one leaf just keeps moving, and we've been standing here and talking, and this one leaf keeps moving back and forth. I guess because it hits the wind just right. Anyway, toma esto, porfa. So we are in Parque
Bailarina.
de la Bailarina in Poblado, Medellin. And I will show you something I learned earlier today. There was a guy outside of my window of the room we're staying in, throwing a stick at mango, I think it was. And there are some ripe or half-ripe lemons. No, what are they? Naranjas. Oranges over here. But they're too high to pick them. So I'm going to use the same trick and see if I can do it. So look at that. Can you see how all these big, juicy oranges are just waiting to be picked? Well, which should we pick? Is that one?
Yeah.
Yes, that one? Okay. Alright, I'll try. So I'll get into the jungle that is this park. And that's the one I'm aiming for. No, that wasn't a very good... Oh, that was a terrible throw. Because I think one has to throw it straight up. Now I lost a stick. Here. The stick isn't too bad. Maybe a little longer would do. But I think it's alright. Okay. ¿Dónde está? ¿Ese? Cayó otro. Okay, so I hit a different one. But this one is not very nice. So I'm gonna try to go for the...
¿Qué tal si solo saltas y coges esas que
right
están ahí cerca?
Sí, pero quiero... There it is. Oh, I hit it straight on. I think I slashed it open. Some spot, yeah. It's burst open, which is nice because it will... Otra?
Para una naranja.
Okay, acid.
Son ricos, se ven. No, acá.
So she's pointing at something. Rico.
Esas todas se ven.
Estas dos, esas. Okay, so I'm gonna aim for those. ¿Sí ese? It's so cool, like one throw, one naranja. ¿Una más? Okay, there went my stick. Oh, coge una. Okay, so I'm gonna jump and get. Okay. Okay. Uy.
Muestra. Uy.
Un bicho. Bicho.
Eso no voy a comer.
Eso es muy biche. ¿Sí demasiado?
No, está bien, solo porque
Okay.
tú dijiste que tiene bichos.
Acá.
Espera.
Botamos
no.
la comida ahí.
No.
I say we throw away the lunch and we put our freshly picked oranges there. They should be called Greenages instead of oranges. All right. I'll show you the view of Parque de la Bailarina. Isn't that cool? Just one of many parks, and you see how much green there is in between all the buildings, especially in areas like El Poblado. Allá arriba. So we're going to walk back to the room and pass out because I do like a short walk and I'm super tired again. I eat a little bit of ice cream and I get sick. So we were supposed to be in El Chocó now, the real jungle, because this is at 1,500 meters. This is not really the area for selva, not what we would call a rainforest. But we were supposed to go there. We changed the flight since I was really sick. Yesterday I had a fever again, and I didn't think it would work. I feel better now, so maybe it could have worked, but we changed it to Sunday. 2 days from now we will be there, and in the meantime I will recover and eat bandeja paisa. Maybe tomorrow. I'll show you what that's like, because actually I don't think I can finish one, but Paula certainly can. Anyway, I'll check out now. See you later.